so many states. It's okay, because it means that scar is going to be on the eventually, that car out there, that car is going to tell my family's story. Just look at that. But here's the thing.
I love you.